Main functions of the dental camera recording system. Our dental camera is designed specifically for dental use. It features high-quality dental lights with a high color rendering index, low UV radiation, and no stroboscopic effect. It offers for installation modes: trolley, ceiling-mounted, chair-mounted, and wall-mounted. Our dental camera features both knob and touch button controls, making it easy to operate and visually appealing. The dental light features control panels on the front and side, enabling easy adjustments of brightness, color temperature, and light color. First, we'll show how to use the remote control. Turning the knob clockwise enlarges the picture, and counterclockwise reduces it. Press the recording button once to start recording. REC will appear in the upper left corner of the screen. Press it again to stop. Press the camera button to take a photo. Flip 180 degrees. The light switch button. The two buttons on the right adjust the light's brightness. Switch between autofocus and manual focus. A, F, and M. F will show in the upper right corner. For deep objects, adjust the focus distance using manual focus. Press the front and rear focus buttons until the image is clear. In this picture, the focus is on the thumb and index finger. We can press the front focus button to shift the focus deeper into the fist. Here are buttons to reduce and increase exposure, allowing you to adjust the brightness of the picture. Please note, this only affects the picture's brightness and does not affect the dental light. This white balance button can be used as needed. If pressed accidentally, restore the default color with the zoom knob. Press the mute button to silence the audio. The speaker icon in the upper right will indicate mute. Press it again to unmute. Press the menu button to display the menu options. Use the remote's up and down buttons, then press OK to select settings. First, let's access the secondary record settings menu. Use the left and right buttons to set the video format to H.264 or H.265. Adjust the bit rate with the left and right buttons. Set Always Display R, E, C2 on to show it in the upper left corner. Set it to Off to hide it. Select a file size, 2 GB, 4 GB, or 16 GB. For 16 GB, a new file will auto-generate after exceeding 16 GB or 3 hours. The time watermark can be turned on or off. Loop recording. If on, the earliest file will be overwritten when the U-disk is full. If off, recording will stop. Schedule settings. Set start and end times for video recording in advance. System settings can change the system language, system time, etc. Video and photo can be played back via menu or direct video, photo buttons on the remote. Press the video button. Use the up and down buttons to select a video and confirm to review. Photo review is similar. Press play, pause to pause, or resume video playback. To delete a video, just select the video and press the delete button. Deleting a photo is the same. Next, we'll show how to control the dental light. Here is the infrared induction. Swipe your hand over it to control the switch. Hold your hand over it to adjust the brightness. Front shell touch buttons. Y, yellow, white light, K, color temperature. +/- brightness. Press Y to switch yellow light to white. Press again to switch back to yellow. In white mode, press K to switch to mixed light and adjust color temperature, which changes with yellow brightness. In white and mixed modes, adjust brightness with the +/- buttons. Curved tube touch buttons. Y for yellow, white, K for color temperature, +/- for brightness. It is similar to the front shell. The above are the basic functions of the dental camera recording system. Enjoy using it.